Yoga for a stronger you. Yoga is more than just a workout. It's a holistic practice that nurtures physical strength, mental resilience, and emotional balance. Regular yoga sessions can transform your health and wellness, leading to a stronger, more empowered you. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how yoga strengthens your body, boosts mental clarity, and enhances your overall well-being. Why yoga matters for strength. Yoga uniquely combines physical poses, breath control, and mindfulness, creating a practice that builds strength from the inside out. Unlike traditional workouts, yoga develops deep muscular strength alongside flexibility, enhancing overall fitness. Physical benefits. Strengthening your body builds muscle strength. Yoga poses like plank, warrior, chair, and chaturanga build lean muscle mass, improving functional strength without bulky equipment. Enhances core stability. Many yoga poses activate the core muscles, promoting better posture, balance, and overall stability in everyday life. Increases flexibility and mobility. Regular yoga practice lengthens muscles and increases joint mobility, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall physical performance. Mental benefits. Strengthening your mind. Yoga is just as impactful mentally as it is physically. Here's how yoga builds mental fortitude. Reduces stress and anxiety. Yoga incorporates deep breathing and meditation techniques, scientifically proven to lower stress hormones and ease anxiety. Improves concentration and mental clarity. Regular yoga sessions enhance cognitive function and mental clarity by promoting mindfulness and reducing mental clutter. Boosts emotional resilience. Yoga helps regulate emotions by encouraging mindfulness and emotional awareness, making you better equipped to handle life's challenges. Yoga styles for strength. Choose from various yoga styles tailored to building physical and mental strength. 1. Hatha Yoga. Great for beginners, emphasizing foundational poses and breathing techniques. 2. Vinyasa Yoga. Dynamic flow sessions that improve cardiovascular health, strength, and flexibility. 3. Ashtanga Yoga. Vigorous and structured sequences ideal for building physical endurance and strength. 4. Power Yoga. Fitness-based practice that emphasizes muscle strength, endurance, and cardiovascular health. Essential yoga poses for building strength. Incorporate these powerful poses into your yoga routine. Warrior poses, Eater 2, 3, strengthen legs, core, and upper body. 2. Plank pose, enhances core strength, improves posture, and overall endurance. 3. Boat pose, targets abdominal muscles and improves balance. 4. Downward facing dog, builds upper body strength while stretching the back and hamstrings. 5. Bridge pose, strengthens back muscles, glutes, and hamstrings. Creating your yoga routine to maximize benefits. Create a balanced yoga routine by 1. Starting with gentle warm-up stretches. 2. Progressing into strength-building poses. 3. Ending with relaxation or meditation. Aim for at least 3-4 yoga sessions per week, gradually increasing intensity and duration as your strength and stamina improve. Yoga and nutrition. Fueling your strength. Complement your yoga practice with balanced nutrition. 1. Eat protein-rich foods to support muscle repair and growth. 2. Hydrate properly to enhance performance and recovery. 3. Incorporate fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for sustained energy. Overcoming common yoga challenges. 1. Lack of time. Schedule shorter, frequent sessions rather than infrequent, lengthy sessions. 2. Feeling unmotivated. Find a yoga buddy or join a class for accountability and motivation. 3. Physical limitations. Modify poses to accommodate your level and avoid injury. The power of mindfulness in yoga. Mindfulness is the heart of yoga, empowering you to remain present, focused, and emotionally balanced. Embrace mindfulness to amplify yoga's benefits for a stronger, more resilient you. Conclusion. Embrace yoga for strength. Yoga is a transformative practice that builds physical strength, mental clarity, and emotional resilience. By integrating yoga into your routine, you set the stage for a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant life. Start your journey today and discover the powerful, positive changes yoga can bring.